Okay.
Mabango kahit maulanan.
Better luck next time. Keep it up. 2. Better luck next time.
Ba't wala akong flowers?
Awesome. 9. 9. 9. Nice work. 10. Perfect. 3.
Anak,
Great job. 4.
magalit sa ibang bansa.
Alright. 8.
Kaya mo yan.
Oops. Sorry. Great job. 7. Excellent. 18.
Next year, ikaw na naman ha.
Nice work. 13.
Sabado, 10 a.m. Ito ang moments na
Alright. 6.
Balik-balikan.
Keep it up. 16. Keep it up. 1. Awesome. Help me find the numbers. Keep it up. 13. 13. Let's try that again.
5.
Sabado, rewind.
Let's try that again. Let's try that one more time. Oops. Sorry.
Ang gabo-gabol, ang panindigan.
Keep it up. 15.
Deal or no?
Keep it up. 6.
p.m.
Better luck next time.
Keep
it up. 17.
Maraming salamat sa inyo magkapatid.
Nice work. 19.
ng kumpanya ninyo para sa mga pasyente ng asilo eh.
Excellent.
Pagpapalas kami dito sa probinsya.
Wala mo yun, doktora.
Alright. 1.
Magandang ginagawa niyo dito sa asilo.
Salamat naman.
We can try that again. Nice work. 11.
Maraming salamat.
Alright. 18.
Tapusan ko kayo sa paligid ng asilo.
Very good. 2. Let's try that again.
Na ginagawa namin ngayon. Ay, pasal ko kayo.
Great job.